Hello designers! Today we're going to learn how to create a cool drip effect. Let's get to it! We have a ball here and a drip. You can download it from the web. But we need to adjust it, so let's warp it a little bit to fit our ball. That's good enough. Now let's place the drip under our object. With Command click, select the ball, create a layer mask on the drip. Now select the ball and create a clipping mask with Command Option G. Let's duplicate the layer. Now we hold Command and select the drip, but we need to select the inverse. For that, we choose the Marquee tool with M and select inverse. And we need to create one more layer mask to the object. Now we choose Brush tool. Make sure that we have black color selected for the foreground. And let's delete unnecessary parts. And that's how you create a dripping effect on a subject. Shortcut Master. Learn easy, work faster.